Finso subscribers can now add multiple ARNs to their Finso subscription, allowing them to upload RTA feeds or BSE files and place orders across ARNs. There are 3 simple steps to enable multi-ARN feature in Finso. Number 1. Add additional ARN licenses. Number 2. Verify the new ARN added. Number 3. Upload RTA data to see it in the Finso dashboard. Let's go into each of those steps one by one. Here's how you can add additional ARNs in Finso. Additional ARNs can be purchased during initial subscription or through later upgrades. When upgrading, head to the Profile section of your Finso dashboard. Under Personal Information, select the Subscription panel. Here, you'll see the number of ARNs enabled on your subscription and the ability to add more by clicking the Add button for ARN under the Upgrade panel. Then, click Proceed at the bottom right. Here, check the details and press Checkout to open the payment gateway. Complete your payment with the means of your choice. Next up, verify the new ARN and add relevant details. To do this, open the Profile section of your Finso dashboard and select the Mutual Funds panel. Enter your ARN followed by the details of the AMCs that it's empaneled with. Then, enter your online execution settings for BSE Star. Also complete the automatic data upload process by selecting your RTA and entering your credentials. Clicking Save readies your new ARN for use with future transactions and reporting. When uploading folio files, Finso fetches the ARNs automatically for all file uploads. When that's not possible, you'll see a drop-down box to select the ARN. Everything else remains unchanged for the Upload section. Adding a new ARN affects your mutual funds dashboard. The default view includes reports for all the ARNs. Choose the one you want to see the report for at the top left of the dashboard. Another process affected by adding ARNs is the generation of organization reports. The default generates the report for all your ARNs. You can now generate each report for a specific ARN. You may also select the ARN checkbox under the Output panel to see ARNs mentioned for report modules in a new column. The next place where you need to mind your steps after adding an ARN is the UCC creation tool. When filling in the UCC details, a new field for ARN lets you choose which ARN the UCC is mapped to. The ARN must have online execution enabled to do this. When placing a mutual fund order, the client details panels will show the ARN that the UCC being selected is mapped to. In the order list, clicking an order will also show the broker ARN used. Further, when you create new users or associates involved in mutual funds, you can map their EUIN to a particular ARN. Keep in mind that they'll still have access to the clients that they are mapped to. Invoicing, client statements and portfolios also remain unaffected, as does the Finso client app dashboard. Finso experts are well equipped to walk you through the new ARN update process. Should you still need help, reach out to them. Finso, the best thing for your financial advisory business.